The next morning, Nessa woke first. She pulled the vines that had been covering her living tent's entrance back into the earth. Nessa was walking around the side of the wagon, looking for the water barrel, when she froze. Just behind the wagon, near the road, was a blue corpse. The body's lifeblood had soaked into the dirt, turning it almost black. "Hey, you'd all better come and look at this," she shouted. As she heard the rustling of people in their tents, she bent down to search the dead man's pockets. His skin was cold, which explained his complexion. He must have been dead for a while. This was just a short snippet of a larger tale. If you'd be interested in fully narrated short stories, head over to my YouTube channel Tello Tales and be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.